Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaria Shakira, aka Frizzy Curls, back again with another YouTube video. So I know I look real crusty right now. If you watch my latest video, you know that I've been on Instagram for the past 10 days doing a makeup challenge, and for the majority of that challenge I've had my hair slicked down. Among doing that challenge, I learned how to basically use the Style Factor without it flaking up. Y'all know that is like my favorite line to use for like edge control and slicking down things, but I know a lot of people do struggle with flakes, so basically that's what this video is here for. I'm here to show you how I basically mastered using the Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control. So if y'all want to see that video, then keep on watching. But all I'm going to do first is just take some water. This is literally 100% water. I know I used to use like aloe vera juice, but lately I've just been using water because I've been lazy. I ain't been feeling like pouring a little jug in here. So I'm just using water, and what I do is just lightly spray. I just lightly spray the front of my head. And then next I like to take my oil mixture. I just squirt some in my hand, rub it in my hands, and then smooth it down on the hair that will be getting the gel or pomade. And all I'm going to be doing is taking my edge brush and or my toothbrush. I started off using my edge brush because obviously like that's what I use for my edges, but lately I've just been using this toothbrush, and it works a little bit better than the edge brush, I'm not gonna lie. But I do like to use the comb part of the edge brush just to get the swoops, you know, really precise. I'm just gonna take my toothbrush, dip it in the pomade. I already have literally like layers upon layers of this on my hair, so I feel like my routine of using this definitely works because I haven't washed my hair yet and you can't see any flakes. So that's kind of like my test and my proof that this little hack that I figured out has worked. But I'm just alternating between the brush and the comb, slicking my edges down. So all I like to do when I do my edges is just create like 3 or 4 swoops. This is really just a video showing you how to do this with the gel. This isn't really like an official edge tutorial because my hair is literally like so dirty. This isn't even the hair that I like to do videos on. I definitely don't like to film on like old hair, but I figured that I needed something for the end of the year to close out with, and I was like, you know what? I figured out a way how to use this gel and pomade without it crusting up, so I decided I wanted to share that with you guys. I mean, I could probably give y'all a real edge tutorial like after my hair is washed and I do a style, but just for the most part, like this is the routine that I do: spraying water, applying some oil first, and then using the pomade. Now I would assume it'll work for the gel as well. I do use the gel, but when I'm doing my edges, I make sure I use the pomade because I do need a little extra hold. My hairs are not fine, so I need, you know, a little bit more power. So I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side, you know, real quick. And honestly, with this trick that I've figured out with using water first and oil, I kind of can use as much gel as I need to because the base is basically moisturized and it won't cause my hair to flake up. And I wish I had this on camera, but literally last night my dad saw my hair and was like, how did I get it so sleek and, you know, not have it all crusty and stuff? And I was just like, my dad is telling me my hair is sleek and not crusty? Yeah, I definitely have to film this. This is definitely a hack for you guys. Style Factor, if y'all watching this video, y'all should know I really love this company. Well, I've been using this line for about a year and some change probably. I really do like it. So if you're looking for a sponsor or brand ambassador or anything like that, you know, just hit your girl up. I will be more than happy to work with you guys. So basically this is all I do. I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail, a low ponytail. Like I said, this is not a full tutorial. This is just showing you how to use this gel. I can give you a full tutorial later down the line, but just for right now, this is what I figured out in the past 2 weeks on how to use this gel properly without causing any flakes, and it'll last all day. Like I said, my dad definitely co-signed with that and said that my hair looks good. So now just taking some on my finger, I'm just going to apply it to my hair just to help slick it down. And like I said, since the oil and the water is underneath, you can basically load it up and you won't experience any flakes. Yes, everyone's hair is different, but I really do think that this hack will work on almost anybody's hair. It holds it down. Like, my edges really do last all day. And then I just go over it just to swoop it up a little bit, just to make it look presentable. Basically, this is all that this video is just to look presentable. This is not a full, like, this is how you do edges tutorial. I could film one later down the line, but today I just wanted to show y'all how to use this gel and or pomade. Like, I really want y'all to understand that I have probably more than 7 layers of this pomade on my edges alone. I have not washed my hair. They may have gotten wet in the shower and things like that, but no shampoo, no rinsing out. Like, I haven't even went and like rubbed the pomade out of my hair. This is basically all caked up gel, and it still looks like day 1 or 2 hair. So I don't know if I've made you guys a believer yet, but there's literally no white flakes or anything on my hair. So I definitely want to say that I'm probably one of the first, if not the first people to figure out how to use this gel without it flaking up on you. Literally almost everyone struggles with this, and I've basically figured out how to not get it to flake. So really excited about that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to lay your edges with Style Factor without it crusted up. I feel like the camera isn't really doing justice for my edges, and it's probably going in and out of focus, but for the most part y'all can see that there's nothing white on my hair. It's really shiny. It doesn't look dry. So make sure if you are using Style Factor, you use water, oil, and then the pomade or gel, depending on which one you want to use, and your hair should come out like this. So if you guys like this tutorial, go ahead and try this on your own. I'm just really excited that I figured this little hack out, because now I don't have to worry about washing my hair every 2 days to get this crust off, because it's not going to crust up. Sorry this isn't one of my like official frizzy curls videos, but it is a video that I wanted to give you guys, and I figured that I will give you guys something to take away for the new year. You know, maybe I can help more people slay with this little hack. Like, this is how my hair looks before I even lay the edges down even further. Like, I'm really loving how sleek it is. I probably don't even need to wrap my edges, but I do that normally anyway, just to make sure that they're laid. All right, y'all, so I just went ahead and wrapped up my edges just, you know, to close out the video the right way. But I mean, I didn't really need to lay down my edges, but I was like, you know what, I might as well. So this is what my edges are looking like. Like I said, this is not a real like edge tutorial. This is just me showing you how to use the Style Factor gel without it crusting up. So like I said, I've layered this pomade on my hair for like the past week and some change, and I have not yet washed this out of my hair. And as you can see, my hair is still its color that it should be. There's no white tint to it or anything. So my hack definitely has passed the test. I just did a low bun because my hair really is due for a wash, and I'm going to try to film my wash day routine tomorrow. So hopefully that video will be coming soon. But the only products I used today were water, oil, and the pomade. Those are literally the only 3 things I've been putting on my hair for the past week. I probably should have been moisturizing my hair a lot more since my hair is colored, but that's besides the point. But that completes the video today. Let me know if you guys have any questions that I may not have answered in this video. If you like this video or this little hack that I've figured out, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I just wanted to show y'all how I slick my edges without it crusting up. That's it. Make sure if you are new to my channel, you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and press that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I post a video. So that completes my tutorial today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.